The PlayStation Portal, released in late 2023, is a device designed for streaming PS5 games remotely. A factory reset returns the device to its original out-of-the-box state, erasing all user data and settings. As of September 2025, it's a common troubleshooting step, especially after software glitches or failed updates. You might consider a factory reset if you experience frequent connectivity drops, app crashes, an unresponsive screen, or pairing failures. It's also essential before selling or transferring ownership to ensure your personal data is removed. Note that while a factory reset resolves software-related issues on the portal, game saves remain intact on your PS5 console. According to a 2025 user survey, about 15% of Portal owners have performed a factory reset at least once. Sony's official support site consistently recommends this as a primary solution for persistent issues, emphasizing its importance in maintaining device stability. Before initiating a factory reset, ensure your PlayStation Portal is charged above 50% to avoid interruptions. The process requires the Portal to be paired with a PS5 console running firmware 8.0 or later. To begin, power on the Portal and connect it to your PS5 either via USB-C or Wi-Fi. Navigate to the Settings menu on the Portal. From there, select the System options and then choose Restore Factory Defaults. You will be prompted to confirm your action. The reset process typically takes between 5 to 10 minutes, during which the device will erase all personalized data, including login credentials, app preferences, and remote play settings. The portal may restart automatically after the reset is complete. Once finished, the device will behave as if it's newly unboxed, requiring you to re-enter your account details and customize your settings. Remember, a factory reset is a software-based solution. It does not affect the PS5 console itself.